In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cloudflare DNS on Google Chrome. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting in Chrome and how to turn it on so your browsing can benefit from Cloudflare's fast, privacy-focused DNS. Start in Google Chrome. Look to the top right corner of the window and open the menu by clicking the three dots. This menu is where Chrome keeps most of its tools and preferences, and it's the quickest way to access what we need today. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Chrome's configuration options. Don't worry, everything we'll touch is safe and easy to reverse later if you ever want to. On the left-hand side of the settings page, click Privacy and Security. This section controls things like cookies, site permissions, and safe browsing features. It's also where Chrome keeps the DNS privacy controls we're after. Next, click Security. The security page is where Chrome groups protections like safe browsing and HTTPS-related features, and it's also where the secure DNS control lives. You might notice an option labeled Delete Data or a link to clear browsing data while you're in this area. That's for cleaning history and cached files. If you click into it, you don't need to remove anything for this setup. Simply back out when you're ready and continue on to the DNS setting. Now find the setting called Use Secure DNS. This is the key. Turn it on. When enabled, Chrome will encrypt your DNS lookups, which helps protect what sites you're trying to visit from being visible to intermediaries on the network. With the switch on, look for the provider options. Choose the option to select a provider and pick Cloudflare from the list. Cloudflare is known for strong privacy and excellent performance, and it's widely supported. Make sure the toggle remains enabled and the provider shows Cloudflare. If you see any message that this setting is managed by your organization, that means your device or network administrator controls it, and you might not be able to change it, otherwise you're all set. That's it, you don't need to restart Chrome. Give it a moment and your future DNS lookups will use Cloudflare through Secure DNS. If you ever want to confirm it's working, revisit this same security page to verify the toggle is on and Cloudflare is selected. And if you're using Chrome on another device, the path is similar. Settings, privacy and security, then use Secure DNS. Thanks for watching and enjoy faster, more private browsing with Cloudflare on Chrome.